Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, two things we're going to talk about, you know. And one of them is about a female that died in a doctor's office, and the other is about a Canadian citizen that had died because of the whole dengue fever thing. You see me? And it is said that she had caught it in Jamaica. Now, listen. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's reports out there about a Canadian citizen that is said to be the age of 26 that had died as a result of the dengue fever. And it is said that the Canadian citizen caught this severe case of dengue fever while in the country of Jamaica. And it is said that this female was in the country of Jamaica to attend a wedding, right? Which is a friend's wedding, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, according to reports, it is said that the Canadian citizen, which is the female that is said to be 26, was at a hospital in Jamaica before transferred to a hospital in the United States of America. You see me? And on the 26th of January 2020, according to reports, it is said that she had died as a result of, catching this dengue fever. So, viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you based on what the reports had been said about this whole issue right here, or this thing that had happened, So, be careful of this whole dengue fever thing, Try your best to keep your surroundings from any form of mosquito breeding sites or anything like that, alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, this is another thing now I'm going to tell you right about now, viewers and subscribers. And this one is kind of a bit of a mix-up because this is about a female that had died at a doctor's office in Ocherius, right? That is the parish of St. Ann, that is of the country of Jamaica. And this said to have happened on Monday, the 10th of February 2020. And there's a lot of speculations out there where some persons are saying that she went to have an abortion and died because something gone wrong with the abortion. You see me? And some persons, are saying that it's a total different story. But however, viewers and subscribers, the word abortion had been mentioned in reports out there. But anyways, I have two audios that I'm going to play for you, my viewers and subscribers. And, one of these audios that I'm about to play for you, my viewers and subscribers, is said to be one of those audios that is considered to be voice notes that is out there on social media. And these voice notes, some of these voice notes is said to be misleading and not telling the truth about the incident that had happened where a female had died at a doctor's office. I'm going to play this audio, right? So that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. When it says that there's things out there being said in voice notes that is considered to be not true. Some of them is considered not true. And please bear in mind that what I'm about to play for you, this audio which is said to be a voice note, is not necessarily the truth as to what had happened, alright? I'm just playing it so that you can have a better idea, alright? So take a listen and observe.
Excitement in Ocherius down here. Dr. William Carrington on the shopping center was doing an abortion in his office. The child died. Crime scene police over there, St. Michael's over there waiting on the body, and Carrington run gone. Crowd over there. The whole craft market, everybody. The crowd. Yes, miss, so. The body over there still, because they must say, wait for family members to identify body and whatever, and tory. Yes, my dear, excitement in Ocherius Town, so I don't know if it's going to come on the news.
Alright, so you see what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers. What has been said in that audio is not necessarily confirmed to be the truth. Alright? Now, there's reports out there where it is said that the police of Jamaica dismissed the whole claims or things that has been said that the female went to the doctor's office for an abortion and died as a result of it. Alright? Yeah, it is said that the Jamaica police, you see me, they dismissed the whole of that. Like, basically, to my understanding, it's like it's saying it is not true. Alright? according to reports, the female went to the doctor's office, complaining about cramps in her belly and so forth. And according to reports, it is said that at some point the female became unresponsive. And after all of that, according to reports, it is said that the female had died. And other things had been said as well, But anyways, I'm going to play another audio for you, my viewers and subscribers. And according to reports, this audio is said to be of a deputy superintendent whose name is Delia Garrick. And I'm playing this audio so that you can have a better understanding as to what had happened. All right, so take a listen and observe.
Since the her death investigation has been launched, and we are now awaiting the result of the postmortem as we continue the investigation. We are aware of a voice note being circulated. However, we are confirming that yes, someone died. However, it is not a young girl. It is an adult female who attended the doctor's office and subsequently died.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that everything that I just told you about these two things that had been said, where it is said about the whole dengue fever and the Canadian citizen that died because of catching dengue fever in Jamaica, and the female that is said to be pregnant that had died at a doctor's office. Those two issues, viewers and subscribers, I only explained to you about those two issues based on reports that is out there and based on how I understand these reports about these two issues, and that there might be more information about these two issues out there. So what I'm saying to you, yeah, and this is where I'm gonna leave it, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so let me know what you think about something like this, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.